So you're using MetaMask for your Ethereum blockchain and BSC blockchain, whatever other blockchain you're using, and for whatever reason you have to uninstall it, or you have a new browser, a Chrome browser, and you have to reinstall it. So you put your paraphrase in or your private key or whatever, and you reinstall MetaMask on your browser. Your Ethereum is there, the blockchain, along with the first wallet, which you add the other ones later. But your BSC network is not there. And once you add that, even though you add that, you don't have your BSC accounts. So you think to yourself, okay, there must be an easy way to add this. So you Google, you go into the public forums, you go into community posts, and you see that you have to add the network. So you enter all the details, and surely enough, it shows up as a network, and you go to your wallets, and they're gone. And you think to yourself, okay, everything should be fine, no reason to panic. You go to public forums again, you go to community posts again, and you find that when you added your BSC chain wallets, you should have exported a separate private key. You think this can't be right, so you keep on Googling, and sure enough, that's what's going on. Your wallets are lost. There's no way to bring them back. You are screwed, and that Lambo that you wanted to buy, kaput. Or is it? See, this happened to me the other day, and I found a way to recover your BSC wallets even if you didn't export your private key, which they should have made it more apparent. It should have been prompted, but that's okay. It's nested under your Ethereum wallet, or that private key, but there is a way to recover a BSC chain. Let me show you how to do that, so you'll be okay. Don't worry. Pick that Lambo up again. So here we are on my desktop. This is the Crypto Factor YouTube channel. And by the way, if you're not logged in, you'll see a subscribe button right here. Please go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification button so you don't miss any more videos. We do some great videos here. Look, we do short videos every day, getting straight to the point so you don't waste time. We have members videos, don't worry about those. We have interviews with some of the most successful people, influential people, and pioneers in blockchain. We do a whole bunch of stuff. So if you like that sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe. I won't let you down. Now, let's just go to my MetaMask real quick here. And if you go to MetaMask, let me just enter my password. So here you can see my Ethereum wallet. You can actually see 5 wallets here. But when I first reinstalled it, you could only see these 3 first wallets. And that's after you added these accounts. You had to import them, right? Now, what you want to do is you want to go to BSC Chain, Smart Chain. Now here, you won't see those accounts. They'll be empty. Even though you added the BSC chain, you will not see them. Now, just in case you don't know how to add the network, let me just show you how to do that first, then I'll show you how to recover your accounts. So it's actually pretty simple. You can actually see from the Acubits blog right here. Just want to give him some props. But basically what you do, you go to your MetaMask, you go to networks, you go to add network, and right here, you fill these in with these settings. So your mainnet, that's the mainnet from BSC chain. It will be Smart Chain would be the name. Your new RPC URL is right here. Your chain ID would be 56 and your symbol will be BNB. And as for the Blockchain Explorer, this is actually optional. You don't need to put that in, but here it is. Why not? As soon as you do that, you'll see the BSC chain network added, so you can actually go to it, but you're not going to see your accounts. And this is where everybody freaks out and everybody thinks all is lost. It's not. Don't worry. When this happened to me, what I did is I actually sent a message to the CEO of Simp Token. You should check it out. I have an interview with him. I'll link it down below. But I sent him the message and he actually called me like 5 seconds, 10 seconds later, my phone rang. I picked it up. It was him calling me, which was unexpected. I only met him once. I answered the call and he told me exactly what to do. It's actually hilariously easy to do. And what you have to do is this. We'll go back to the Crypto Factor YouTube channel. That's just for branding purposes. And what you do is you click your MetaMask, you go to your Smart Chain, but what you have to do is you have to create an account. And every time you create an account, it should just give you a number. Create about 5 or 10 of these accounts, and guess what? Your accounts will show up. Now, it may not be named account, I don't know, Dream of Profits or Genie or anything you named it, or some stupid shit that like that you probably thought of. But it will say account 1, account 2, account 3. Just click them and your coins are SAFU.